Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get a refund from Clickfunnels. This is helpful if you need to cancel your subscription and request your money back based on the refund policy. Let's get started. On your Clickfunnels dashboard, if you want to get a refund on your subscription or on an item you bought in Clickfunnels, all you have to do is click on the workspace settings. Once we are in the settings, we will scroll down until we see the billing section. It is on the left side of the dashboard. Now, all we have to do is click on billing, and a new tab will open. This is the billing section. Here, we will find our subscription. To get a refund, we first need to cancel the subscription. Click the three dots on the right side of your subscription, and then click Manage Subscription. Here, we will see the option to cancel. Once we click Cancel Subscription, it will prompt us for a refund. The refund will be processed right away, but make sure the timing is correct when canceling so that we receive the proper refund from Clickfunnels. After canceling, the refund button will appear. Click it and follow the prompts to receive the refund. That's how we get a refund from Clickfunnels.